At the Roofmaster, we're all about expertise. Operating since 1981, our cumulative 37 years of experience in the trade has led us to develop a portfolio we're very proud of, benefiting customers in Surrey, London, Ashted and Brighton. Our technical know-how allows us to specialise in a diverse range of roofing services, including roofing repairs, traditional roofing, flat roofing, guttering, moss removal, chimney and leadwork services. Don't believe us? Just check out our testimonials to see the quality of our work and customer service. The reviews there speak for themselves. We've also been verified by the following quality control organisations. We're also on Facebook as well as Instagram, where we post regular updates and offers directly to our customers. So, if you like what we're offering, then contact us on our website, or alternatively, give us a call on these following numbers: